Hello, my dear students. You are welcome to JK Physics lecture. Today, also we say part of addition of vectors and further resolution of vector. New topic in vectors. In the last lecture, I told you about addition of vectors a little bit. One vector like this is A vector, and another vector like this is B vector. If I want to add this vector A and vector B, it is called resultant vector, equal to A plus vector A plus vector B, equal to, I gave you the formula here. Resultant is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. In the last lecture I said that when we write A means magnitude of A vector, B matlab magnitude of B vector. A, we just write A is magnitude of A vector. You can write like this or like this. It is easier. A means magnitude of A vector, B means magnitude of B vector. And theta equal to angle between the vectors. So last time I told you, once you draw A vector with magnitude and direction, then you have drawn B vector same direction, magnitude and direction same. Join from starting point to ending point. This is the resultant R equal to A plus B. Resultant vector. Direction is this and magnitude is this. A vector plus B vector is equal to R vector. R is the resultant vector. This we know. Now about angle between the vector, theta. When you have to take angle between the vector, you have to be very, very careful. See, look here. If you want angle between A and B, there are two methods. One is extend A vector like this. This is the angle between the two vectors, vector A and B. A ऐसा direction में है, उधर से angle B vector के लिए ऐसा direction है. This is one method. Don't take this angle. This angle is not the angle between the two vectors. Now, there is another method of vector addition that's called parallelogram. Parallelogram method of vector addition. How to draw parallelogram using these vectors? This is the triangular law. This is the triangle method of vector addition. Now we will have parallelogram method of vector addition. For that, we will draw vector A. The direction of vector A is like this. Vector B in the direction of vector B. This is vector B. In that same direction. Then complete the parallelogram. You know parallelogram, you have studied 0 A. This is B. And this is C. Join from here to here. This is R A plus B. This is the same direction as that of this. You can do by triangular method or parallelogram method. Here one advantage is that directly you will draw the tail of this vector. Tail and tail. That is the angle theta. Tail के साथ tail रखने का. This is the tail of vector A. This is the tail of vector B. तो tail के साथ tail रखेगा तो angle मिलेगा directly theta. इधर क्या है? If I want to get angle here, get extend here and get the angle theta. ऐसा भी मिल सकता है, ऐसा भी मिल सकता है. Now I have to give you this formula. So we will not accept anything without proof. From where did I get this formula? Resultant is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now, in order to get this formula, we will do a little bit of geometry in the high school. So, I will draw it neatly. Vector A, then vector B, parallelogram is constructed O, A, B, C. This is the resultant R in direction and magnitude. Now, from here, this figure, I have to derive this formula. This is there in the 11th standard, in the chapter Scalars and Vectors. This formula is derived. So I will derive this one. So we will draw this, extend this forward, draw perpendicular from here. A, B, C, let's call it D. Now, here this is B vector, you know this is parallelogram, this is equal to this. So this is also B vector. This vector, B vector, this also B vector. They are parallel, they are equal. This is A vector coming from here to here, A vector. This is B vector, this is a resultant vector. Now, how do you get it? This point is B. So, this point is A. How much is AD? How much is AD? Can you tell me? You have no idea. You have no idea. Now I help you. If this is the angle between the vectors theta, as I told you, this angle between the vectors. If this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. They are corresponding angles in geometry. If this is theta, this is also in theta. Now we know that AD upon AB is equal to cos theta. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse is equal to cos theta. Therefore, AD equal to AB into cos theta. And what is this? AB is B. That is equal to AD is equal to B cos theta. This is B cos theta. Where B is the magnitude of B vector. B cos theta is this. Now, what about this? Opposite will be B sin theta. How it has come? Those who are done geometry, definitely they know that BD upon AB equal to sin theta. Therefore, BD equal to AB sin theta. That will be AD. BD equal to AB into sin theta. And AB is equal to B. This is equal to B sin theta. Now this you remember always, whether you do 12th standard, JEE, NEET, for everything. This idea is very important. If I give you a triangle like this, if I give you a vector like this, or a number, let us say 10 Newton here. What is the angle with the adjacent side? Is theta, this angle is theta. This is the opposite side. Always the adjacent side will be 10 Newton into theta. If this is vector P, this is P into cos theta. Adjacent side will be cos theta, opposite side will be sin theta. This will be P cos theta. So, if this is 10, this is 10 cos theta, this will be 10 sin theta. Remember, any time the adjacent side This is adjacent side, where theta or theta side. Theta side will be always P into cos theta. Opposite, perpendicular to that. Opposite will be P sin theta. This is always P sin theta, is always P cos theta. Adjacent side will be dealing with cos theta. This will be sin theta. P into sin theta. P into cos theta. Any time. So here, this is B. So this is B cos theta. This will be B sin theta. BD is equal to B sin theta. AD equal to B cos theta. Always remember this will come every time in 12th standard, JEE, NEET, everywhere you have to use this. Now, let us take your simple Pythagoras theorem. We write OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. Pythagoras theorem. Equal. What is OD? A, vector A, magnitude of vector A, plus B cos theta, the whole square. This is A, this is what? B cos theta, the whole square, plus what is BD? B sin theta, the whole square. A plus B whole square का formula A square plus 2AB into cos theta plus B square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta. Now A square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Everybody knows that. Now this is equal to A square plus B square into 1, that is B square. B square into 1 is B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now this is the vector OB square. OB square equal to R square. Therefore R square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Therefore R is equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. In your 11th standard exam, definitely they will ask you the derivation of this formula. Yes. Pause and take. I hope आपने कॉपी किया होगा पूरा. This is the formula. R vector is equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, which is derived already here. Now, we also have to give direction of the resultant. Direction of the resultant. Of R vector equal to tan theta equal to B sin theta upon P plus B cos theta. Or theta नहीं, we call it alpha. This angle is alpha, full angle is theta, angle between the vectors. Alpha is the angle between resultant and the A vector, resultant and A vector. Alpha equal to angle between R and P, A. R वेक्टर और A वेक्टर का बीच में जो एंगल है वो अल्फा है. अल्फा कैसे ढूंढेंगे? tan अल्फा इक्वल टू B sin थीटा अपॉन P प्लस B cos थीटा और अल्फा इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स B sin थीटा upon P plus B cos theta. This is the second formula I give you. This formula is for डायरेक्शन अल्फा ढूंढने के लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा, इसका मैग्नीट्यूड ढूंढने के लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा। तो दोनों फॉर्मूला आ गया, डिराइव भी किया है तुम्हारे लिए। देखो नाउ वी विल टेक एन एग्जांपल, लेट अस टेक okay, let magnitude of A vector equal to 6 Newton, magnitude of B vector equal to 5 Newton, theta equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, R is equal to, from this formula, magnitude of R, magnitude of R को ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So 6 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 6 into 5 into cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to half. So 2 and 2 cut हो गया, 36 plus 25 plus 30 equal to 91. Square root of 91 is R. This is the magnitude of this R. Now we want to know the direction of this R. R is making an angle alpha with the vector A. We want to find out alpha. So tan alpha equal to B sin theta upon P plus B cos theta. Cos theta लिखिए alpha. So alpha is the angle we are given. Theta is this angle. So we have sin theta alpha is equal to tan inverse B sin theta upon P plus B cos theta. ये वो ठीक हो गया क्या बराबर? Okay. Whatever I taught you, whole thing I will revise once more. मैं और एक बार हिंदी में तर्जुमा करके बोलता हूँ तुमको, कैसा ये फॉर्मूला आ गया, कैसा ये फॉर्मूला आ गया, तो दोनों फॉर्मूला में वापस रिवाइज करता हूँ। One vector A in this direction, another vector B in this direction, angle between the two vectors is theta. Now we completed the parallelogram. This is the diagonal of the parallelogram. That is the resultant vector of vector A and vector B. The angle between the two vectors is theta. Then I said that magnitude of this resultant vector R, magnitude, ऐसा R भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. R is equal to square root, sorry, magnitude ऐसा A vector plus B vector का magnitude equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. ये प्रूव करना हमको. दूसरा एक रिलेशन है angle between the resultant and vector A. Angle between the resultant and vector A is, देखो angle हमेशा इसको एक्सटेंड करेगा. This is the angle theta between this vector and this vector. Angle इधर मिलेगा, ये नहीं है, नहीं तो इधर मिलेगा. Tail and tail join किया है, tail of this vector, tail of this vector. This is the angle between these two vectors. Now this theta is here, magnitude of this vector A is here, magnitude of this vector B is here, and theta is the angle. Now second thing is direction of this resultant with the vector A. Alpha is the angle. Alpha is the angle between vector A and the resultant. Alpha कैसा ढूंढेंगे? Tan alpha equal to B sin theta upon P plus B cos theta. Now, or alpha equal to tan inverse B sin theta upon B cos theta. ये फॉर्मूला है, अल्फा ढूंढने के लिए ये फॉर्मूला है, और मैग्नीट्यूड ढूंढने के लिए ये फॉर्मूला है. Resultant का magnitude. Now If you have understood this derivation very well, please like and share this video. In case you want to subscribe, you can subscribe also. You are most welcome to like, share or subscribe. Thank you.